A trial got underway today with video of a violent confrontation on a Bay Area boat dock. Kamal Pedlowski is accused of shoving that victim, seriously injuring him, and then throwing him into the water. He died. News Channel 8's Grant Palmer joins us live at the courthouse in Tampa with what unfolded today. Grant?
Stacey, that was the video that prosecutors played in court today, which prompted a gasp or two from those in the room. Prosecutors also played a video of Pedlowski allegedly confessing to some nearby.
Prosecutors call a handful of witnesses to the stand Tuesday in the Ruskin Boat Dock murder trial. One was a woman who says she was walking out onto the dock when she saw a man and a woman pass by on a boat.
And when you passed by, did they say anything to you?
Yes, the gentleman did.
Okay, and what did he say to you?
I think I just killed my best friend.
Prosecutors allege that man is Kamal Pedlowski. They also played body cam footage in court, which they say shows a conversation between a man and a responding officer.
I came walking up and he said, I think I might have killed somebody, and I looked under the water. He said, he's right there. I walked past.
At the time, the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office said deputies were called for a reported shooting, but learned a man now identified as Melvin Jimenez fell into the water. Prosecutors played video of what happened beforehand.
As the defendant pushes him with such force that Mr. Jimenez goes flying back. He hits the bottom of his head, the top of his neck, and it causes a substantial injury.
And the rest of the video that they say shows Kamal Pedlowski grabbing Jimenez and throwing him into the water.
He sees that he is unconscious, and he grabs his ankles. He drags him across the dock, and he throws him in the water.
Angela Springer says she was with Jimenez at the marina earlier in the day and later saw people on Facebook talking about a body being pulled from the water of the marina.
I called 911. I just felt it. It was just, yeah, that's what I called 911 because I started freaking out.
Judge Cisco says she hopes to get the case to the jury by sometime tomorrow. She says the case will resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. Stacey?
Grant, with that video evidence that you've shared with us, I'm curious, what is the defense arguing in this case?
Yeah, the defense has been arguing that since the video that was played in court doesn't have any audio, you can't tell what was exchanged between the two before that altercation. They're also saying that you can't tell what each person intended in those final moments. Stacey?
All right, more to come. Grant Palmer live in Tampa. Thank you.